NewGenerationTanks is a Swiss startup registered in Lausanne in 2018 in the context of climate crisis that everybody's aware of and air pollution that's responsible for 7 million premature deaths per year worldwide. Knowing that the transportation sector is a major contributor of both greenhouse gas emissions and polluting particles, NewGenerationTanks is willing to contribute to the development of clean mobility. Its mission is to make fuel cell vehicles more competitive thanks to efficient hydrogen pressure tanks. The existing hydrogen storage solutions are not optimized, and pressure tanks are heavy, bulky, difficult to integrate to vehicles, not recyclable, limited in volume, and not durable. NewGenerationTanks, or NGT, is developing thermoplastic composite pressure tanks that will be lighter than the state-of-the-art pressure tanks, easier to integrate into vehicles, recyclable, they can be made longer and bigger, with a design and concept that optimizes durability. Compared to the conventional carbon fiber pressure tank manufacturing process, NGT can make tanks of any length with one single tool, uses recyclable thermoplastic resin, and uses carbon fibers more efficiently, which allows to save weight. On a fuel cell truck, NGT pressure cylinders offer a significant weight and space-saving opportunity and are easier to integrate onto the truck's floor. For a passenger car, a set of pressure tanks from NGT represents a conformable storage solution, offering more space for passengers and trunk. Overall, NGT solution allows to minimize the cost of ownership of fuel cell vehicles. The technology is patented in Europe and patent pending in the USA, China, India, and Japan. Significant work has been done so far, with the tank design and simulation tool, the prototyping equipment, and the test setup. The proof of concept has been validated, and NGT is now at technology readiness level 4, with plans to complete TRL 6 by 2023 and complete industrialization and certification by 2025. My name is Gilles Rocher. I'm the founder of NewGenerationTanks, and I look forward to connecting with other members of the H2 Hub and discussing potential collaboration. Thank you.
Welcome everyone. Thank you very much for the opportunity to provide you a short introduction to Hoeller Electrolyser today. My name is Matthias Kramer and I'm the CFO of Hoeller Electrolyser, the stack company. I'd like to present to you today an opportunity to invest into the emerging hydrogen industry. Our goal is to make green hydrogen affordable. Our vision is to reduce the production cost for green hydrogen below 4 euros per kilogram. And our PROMETHEUS stack will help to do so. In our stacks, water is split into hydrogen and oxygen by adding electricity. Our founder and CEO Stefan is a real hydrogen pioneer. He has more than 25 years of experience with water electrolyzers. His ideas around improving the cell, the stack, and the overall system are the foundation of our company. Since 2016, we have filed 10 patent applications, and our team of 7 engineers is currently working on finalizing our prototype. The stack is really the core component of any electrolyzer. It not only accounts for 50% of the total value, it also is the critical component that determines its performance. We have looked at numerous details in order to improve our stacks versus what is on the market today. With many of our competitors focusing on the entire electrolyzer, we will stick to the stack. This is where our core competency lies and what we know best. With our 3 sizes S, M, and L, we are able to equip a broad range of electrolyzers. We're working hard to enter the market in the middle of 2021. With an increasing demand for hydrogen in Europe and globally, we want to enter the market as quickly as possible. Our product will meet European as well as US standards and will become globally available. Our vision is to become one of the top 5 stack manufacturers by the end of this decade. We plan to break even in 2023. This would require sales of 20 megawatts of electrolyzers. But even today, our sales pipeline looks promising. For the next 24 months, we are in discussion for projects with a total volume of around 10 megawatt of stack capacity. We are particularly proud that we are in discussion to supply a leading parcel delivery service in Germany for their pilot project of 500 fuel cell vehicles. We seek investors that share our view on the future of green hydrogen from renewable resources. We already raised 3 million euros for the development of the PROMETHEUS S, and we seek to accelerate our product development and to build our own production facility. Thank you very much for your attention. I'm happy to answer any questions you have.
Hello, my name is Sonia Davidson. I'm the CEO of a company called H2 Energy Now. Our company's goal is to leave the world a better place for our children and our grandchildren. In 2019, our European Union and US patents are granted. Also in 2020, additional patents are granted in Great Britain, France, and Germany. This is our 2020 team, which was a virtual intern from Iowa. Our process is unique in creating hydrogen. We use electromagnetic wave dissociation compared to electrolysis. We're more efficient, we're lighter, our capital cost is 50% less, and we use no rare metals. And we prototyped actually using salt water. Our process uniquely uses electromagnetic waves to create green hydrogen so it is available to smooth generation cycles. We are currently expanding our test system to support the creation of 100 kilograms of hydrogen a day. Our testing has shown that our system is 88% efficient compared to the 60% efficiency for electrolysis. Our scale-up requirements of power inputs is 430.2 kilowatts. An equivalent system would cost for electrolysis between $350,000 to $500,000. Our scale-up goal is to keep our capital costs half of 50% of an electrolysis systems. Our OPEX is also less. This is our team, mostly formed from people from around. When you share your idea, you're amazing what you'll be able to connect. My email is Sonia@H2 Energy Now, and this is H2 Energy Now. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, despite the fact that it is only virtual and pre-recorded, I am very happy to have the opportunity today to talk to you a little bit about the IM electrolyzer and Enapter. My name is Thomas Krometzka, and I'm the head of strategy at Enapter. We have set up Enapter, an award-winning company, as you can see, to do a few things differently in the hydrogen sector, but I'll be coming back to that topic in a second. We're talking hydrogen here today because we believe that the hydrogen is the missing link in the energy transition, and when we talk about hydrogen, we absolutely mean green hydrogen. Electrolyzers, our product, are a way to turn sunshine and water into a green fuel, a green gas that can be used in any kind of application, be it in synthetic fuels, in electricity storage, or in many direct use cases in the industry for heating, and absolutely what we need when we are thinking about how to decarbonize our future. Our electrolyzer is different from what you see in the market because it is designed as a product. You can see here that it is a form factor that can easily be fitted into a 19-inch rack. It has a very low production rate with 500 norm liters per hour and a power consumption of 2.2 kilowatts. But what you will immediately understand is that this device can be stacked to infinite sizes. So you can combine as many of these modules to achieve the flow rate that you're needed. And here it is mirroring the principle, for example, the solar panel, which is exactly similarly set up as a small and modular device that you can combine into any kind of size. We're different because the rest of the industry is building large systems, and the analogy here is the mainframe and the PC that disrupted the computer industry in the 80s. And we hope that we have a place in the market with the offering that we can bring to our customers. We're not only focusing on hardware, we are also very much exposed to software. We believe that energy companies of the future do need to have a hardware and a software offering. And this is why we're developing a very unique energy management system that is low cost and allows the residential energy storage solution to benefit from a good energy management system, as well as the industrial solution that customers might be looking for. We have use cases already in 33 countries in the world, and I think it is more than 100 customers today. You can see on this one a typical seasonal storage use case where hydrogen is used to produce power in winter times. But our electrolyzers are used in very innovative use cases. Here it is a power to heat use case where district heating is provided by the hydrogen that we produce. We use our hydrogen refueling stations for drone, for aircrafts, for cars, for many different applications. We have a bunch of industrial customers who are using hydrogen in float glass manufacturing, nitrogen purification, as you can see here, but also in ammonia production and other cases. Power to gas, an important one as well. And our goal is ultimately to drive the cost for hydrogen down to a price of 150 euros or less per kilogram in terms of CapEx. This requires massive scaling efforts, which is why we're investing a lot into automated production line and ultimately make this green hydrogen reality happen. Thank you very much for your attention.